and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I welcome you, and for my returning viewers, thank you so much for tuning back again. Without wasting time, let's get right into the tutorial. You're gonna need about ribbons, styling gel. I'm using 3 in this tutorial. That's the soft and free, and this is the dark and lovely styling gel. Also, you are going to need 2 brushes, soft for your edges and a hard brush for your hair, and a parting comb. So I started off sectioning my hair because this is a low bun. I'm going to start off with the section at the back, and yeah, I'm going to start off with this styling gel, the Eco Styler green styling gel, and I'm going to apply around the back section generously. Then when I'm satisfied, I'm just going to take the hard brush and brush all around to make sure that that section has no bumps. And then when I'm satisfied, I am tying it with a ribbon, and here I'm making sure that as much as I want it to be gripped down, I don't want to have it too tight that I can't bend down when it's done and finished. So yeah, and then I'm going to start with this section, and with this section I'm going to divide it into 2 parts, the back and the front, and I'm just going to tie the front out of the way and start with the back subsection of the section. Then I am applying generously the styling gel on the top of the hair like this. And guys, when I say generous, I mean generous. Also depending on the texture of your hair. I'm a type 4B or 4A, somewhere in between that. And I'm taking again the hard brush to just make sure that I flatten any bumps, and wherever there's a bump I apply styling gel and brush over that area again. So I'm going to take another ribbon, tie it with that first section at the back. So you're going to need ribbons that amount to the number of sections that you're going to do. So I have 5, so I have 5 ribbons on standby. And here I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the left hand side, and here I'm just doing a little finger detangling and applying the styling gel on the back section of the subsection, and I'm going in again with the brush to make sure that the hair is sleeked down properly. And basically we are going to now take the styling gel and apply on the middle part, and I find that it makes the line cleaner and more defined. So that's what I'm doing over here. And the same technique where I'm going to apply styling gel on top. But with this section I found that I had, I don't know, thicker hair, so instead of just applying on the top, I had to apply in the middle of the hair like this, all over the hair and at the back of the section. So you guys will just figure out for yourselves with the areas that need more styling gel, and this top part for me was that kind of section. So I'm going in here with my hard brush again to ensure that there are no bumps and the hair is sleeked down to the T. And remember guys, with every subsection you tie it with the original first section down below there. So I am applying the styling gel, brushing it with the hard brush, and brushing it towards the low first bun that I tied in the beginning of this tutorial. So that's just what I'm doing. So I'm not making any more buns. It's just one big bun and everything is tied to the first one. And here I decided to use a toothbrush, softer brush, instead of that first one in the beginning of the video. So I'm just shaping my edges to designs of my liking. Nothing dramatic. And then I'm going to just tie it with I cut this off a dress, a metric dance dress. So I'm just going to lay the front part of my hair with this cloth over here, and I'm going to now get the hairpiece that I got. It's brandy. It's a kinky kind of texture, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna use to make my low bun. And I'm replacing the rubber band with this ribbon. I prefer it over the rubber band that the hairpiece comes with. So that's just what I'm doing over here. So I'm going to take the hairpiece and I'm going to tie it around like this. And start with the braid. I'm done braiding now, and I'm just gonna go do my makeup and I'll come back with the final look. Alright, so here I'm taking that braid and I am turning it into a bun, and to secure it I'm going to take a rubber band. You can take a black ribbon as well, or a hairpin to just secure it. My choice is this rubber band over here, and voila! This is the finished look essentially, and the flyaways I forgot to cut them, but you can just do that by yourself. So here we go.